Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to review our new dashboard, the safety training portion of it, our IQ system. We're going to list the modules that we have to have both the training and the testing uploaded, and then we're going to walk through on how to assign people to the training and how to review the statistics, print reports, and that kind of thing. We're going to start by opening a browser. Safari here. We're going to go to dashboard.iris.com, and then this opens what looks like our web page, and we click right here, and it'll bring you right into the dashboard. As you see over here, you have your dashboard, your messages, and your platform administration. Your platform administration is your full administration of the entire site. Your messages is like a text or email system local to the system, and the My Desktop gives you all the information that you need on how to enroll, create, remove, and other features on this page. To access our list of modules that we have to have, we just click on safety training and then on the learning path right here, and that brings us to the page that gives us all of our training modules that we need to upload and create tests for. Right now I think there's like 58 or 62 of them, and we came up with a numbering structure, and we'll be able to identify it in a search record by the actual module number. So as you can see, the first three on general safety, we have general safety part 1, 2, and 3. General safety is 1000, and then it goes from there 1001, 1002. Then we go by increments of 10 when the subject changes, and that allows us for revisions, for updates, for expanding, these kind of things. And as you can see, there's a ton of them to do. If you click right here on general safety, it'll bring you to the general safety page. You'll see that the presentation itself has been uploaded, and we want to make sure that all of the presentations have been uploaded using PDF file opposed to a PowerPoint or a Keynote file. That'll allow it to open up within the browser opposed to having it downloaded onto your system and then opening it that way. The general safety part 1 here is the test itself. You can see that we have the numbering convention exactly as it is on the module. The naming convention here is not as specific as the testing or the actual module number. So if we go back to our learning path, this is our module number here, 1000, 1001, 1002, or 1010, or 20, whatever it is. And we can always reference to this list. As we add new modules here, we can determine whether it continues from 1770 on, or if we just put it in one of these subcategories like 1651 or 1652. If we go back to our course home page, you'll see these two tabs here, one for announcement, one for calendar. We're not using those right now, but they are available if we want to use them in the future. You'll see down here also, you see the SA Safety Training Learning Path. This is the same length as over to here on the left panel, learning path. So if I click here, it'll populate all of the modules that we have to do. So let's go back over to the course homepage. We're going to go to Documents, and these are the folders for us to store our information in. And to create a folder, we're going to create a directory. That's going to be abrasive blasting, and I believe that is 1010. And we're just going to call this abrasive blasting. And you'll see abrasive blasting was added here. If we go back to the learning path, make sure that I got the number right. Abrasive blasting is 1010. So we are set up to go ahead and add that in. But we're going to go back to course homepage. We're going to go to Documents. And we already have the directory created here for General Safety Part 2. We're going to select that, and we're going to upload a file. Now we have to go to that file. I believe it's here. Safety modules was training. Then we select the PDF here. We choose that. and we hit OK. So let's go back to Documents, double check that we see it there. Now we're going to go to Exercise. We're going to create a new exercise, and it is called 1001 General Safety Part 2. Then we're going to hit OK. And then this is it. This is the name right here, 101 General Safety Part 2. We're going to add a new question. And in the title block is where we actually want to put the question. And there's a limited amount of space that we can use. Character number is limited. So we're just going to copy no, we can't copy, excuse me. We actually have to drag and drop. Copying does not work. So we're going to drag and drop here. We're going to verify that it completes the question or the sentence. Then we're going to scroll down here. The category is General Safety Part 2. And we're doing a true-false question. Hit OK. And it's true. And then we have to give it a value. In this particular case, it's 10 points because we have 10 questions. And then we just go add a new question. I'm going to go to number 2, grab it, drag, and drop. Verify that it contains all of the sentence or the question. The category is General Safety Part 2. This is a multiple choice with a unique answer. Hit OK. It gives us 2 blocks here, but we're going to add 2 more. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight this, drag, and then come here, drag, and drop. There it goes. Number 3. And then this is D. So now we have to verify the answer is C, is 30 minutes. And we give that its value and hit OK. Add another question. Again, same sequence. We're number 3. We highlight, grab, and drop. And you'll see here we stopped right here at the flammable material with water, comma, provided. And we're going to start right here, provided, and do the rest of the sentence. We're going to drop the rest of the sentence in the text box down here, and then we're going to go up here, make sure that the sentence is clean. Go back to water, comma, and then we hit category, General Part 2, and it is a true-false question. Hit OK, and the answer is B. It is a false. I'm going to give it the 10 points and hit OK. I'm going to continue the rest of these really quick. We have 7 more questions. When I'm done, we'll be right back. Now we're on the very last one, number 10. It's going to have to be broken up in 2 pieces. I'm going to do it right here. I'm going to grab and drag. Order, comma, and the rest of it goes in the text box here. Go General Part 2. Again, it's a multiple choice, true and false. The answer is A, true. 10 points. Done, say OK. Now we can go to exercises, and we can see our General Part 2 is right there. You can edit it through the Modify button, and you can see all the questions. Verify it. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 questions. These are the answer types. So the exercise is done. So if we go back to Learning Path, I'm going to click on General Part 2. We're going to add a document right here. And this document is under General Stats. And we're going to select that question, that checkbox, and say Add Selection. And then we're going to go to Course Home Page. We're going to go to here. We're going to go to here. We're going to add an exercise. We're going to select General Part 2, add selection, and now you have both of your documents there. Go back to Course Management, Course Home Page, Learn Path, General Safety, and there you have it. You have your presentation and you have your General Safety. I still like changing this to match the module number. That's something we can do in the future, or you can just start doing that now.